welcome to wherever we are. Today we will be cooking some sort of cookies, I'm guessing, by the eggs and sugar.
What's one of those things thrown on my
Say
head?
cook etal cook
Oh dear, Rachel, you have it upside down again.
Oh, oops, I'm so sorry.
Reese's Chewy Chocolate Cookies.
Reese's Chewy chocolate cookies.
Reese's Chewy Chocolate
Okay, we're going
Chocolate Cookies.
we're
Chewy
going
Chocolate Cookies.
to heat the oven to... I forgot what I was reading.
Oh dear, Rachel, leave
I'm
the reading to
sorry.
me. It's okay. We will be heating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
But our oven is broken, so we have to heat it to...
350 degrees Fahrenheit.
So we have to heat it to 370 degrees Fahrenheit.
That way it will cook and we don't get raw eggs.
Yes.
I cracked myself up.
Okay, how to start the oven. Oh yes. Bake. Oh yes. Okay.
Okay, now.
There's some English person on the ground. I'll take.
But,
Lynn will take care of it. She can speak English accent.
Yo, dog, what is up? Want to raise the roof or chillax or hang out? What does hang out mean? She doesn't get it. Yeah, chillaxing, like bird or like no. Oh,
Are you okay?
it's okay. She'll look at it. Okay, next we do
Flour, I think.
yes, flour. Well, listen to depressing music in the background
Yes.
because depressing is always good. Just
Hi,
kidding.
camera.
It's not depressing. It's
Weird. Weird.
mine.
Can you please get out of here? Get out. Get out.
I will handle her very politely. What is wrong with you? Go make English muffins somewhere else.
Okay. Let's see. I think first we put in the flour,
I told you.
cocoa, baking soda, and salt. I read it.
Oh my gosh.
I read it.
You read it. That
The
sounds.
music fits perfectly.
Allez. Oh wait, what?
Wrong accent. That was Spanish. Okay, we're getting way off track here. We need the
I thought
flour.
I told you. English muffins like you aren't welcome. Don't even dare. Anyways, welcome back. We will have a small commercial break while we get
Put
flour.
in 2 cups flour.
No, Rachel dear, we're having a commercial break.
No. We haven't even gotten the recipe started. From what I read.
We have
Flour, 2 cups flour.
I think it's funny that it's a commercial break, but yet the music's still going.
Okay.
Is my classmate in the room? Do you know her name?
Howdy ho, neighbor.
and welcome flour in the bowl that we are baking in. Please get
Now
out
we
of my
need-
kitchen before I swat you with the broom.
3/4 cup cocoa. Let's make that 1.5 cups.
No. Yes. But wait, what's 3/4 double?
1.5 cups.
1.5. Okay.
And since we always like times 2.
We like times anything.
As long as it's more than 2. How about more than that? Let's put the whole thing in. It's not coming out. I need
My name is not Kaylin. It's Kaylin. You say it proper. Get it right.
You get it right. Please leave. I'm gonna go get the broom. You finish measuring out.
Thank you. Get me another broom to swat her. Now, listen here. It is not proper to show somebody's
okay?
kitchen,
Is this
demand
okay?
to be their neighbor, and not get out. Yes.
Is this okay?
Yes.
Fine. Okay, thank you. And you put the 3/4 cup, I prefer 1.5, into the bowl. And then, I've got one too. I dose. Oh, that's baking soda. Sorry. And you need a teaspoon, but I prefer 2. A teaspoon. Let me see. I'll put in the whole thing. No, it's not that sugary. I only need 1 teaspoon baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yes. And now we need
So when did you get your haircut?
today
I mean, but did you go?
a half a teaspoon salt.
Grandma's that one.
Do we have a spoon to mix it?
Yeah.
Also,
Do you have a wooden spoon?
no, I don't know how to have a blender. It's electric.
Electric.
Turn down the music, please. I don't think they can hear us. Not very much, though. Howdy ho, neighbors! This is not Western. This is British.
Vanilla flavored.
I don't suggest you eat that.
Now please get out.
Wait, pretend I just came over and drunk it.
You aren't pretending. You are drinking.
Life is not pretend. Now please, give me that. Oh well, I'll be able to later.
It's okay.
It's
penguin.
Okay. I put in the cup salt.
It's a penguin.
You need to fry it. No, that sounds disgusting. I put in a half teaspoon.
I want to help.
So go away. Don't ask me to.
We have some.
Now we need
Olay!
her. It's her. Oh no,
Olay!
that's butter.
Olay!
Olay! What's my
Olay!
Oh yes, this is British.
Olay!
This is British. This is British.
Olay!
Okay.
Olay! Now it looks light brown. See?
Now I think we need
Because I mixed it. Now we have
the
salt,
eggs and
flour.
the vanilla. The eggs
Please
and
get
the
out
vanilla.
of the way. Eggs and vanilla. I can crack the eggs. I like
Okay.
eggs.
I'll
Two
do
eggs.
the
No,
eggs.
no, no. Get out of the vanilla. 2 eggs. 2 eggs.
Vanilla.
2 eggs.
2 eggs and 2.
Let's make that 4 eggs.
Yes.
That's 4 eggs.
4 eggs.
4 eggs. Hello, darling. What are you doing here? Hello, darling.
What's
What are
up,
you doing
doll?
here?
Do you want to hang out and Whatever that word was.
You want to
Chillax.
hang out and
Chillax.
chillax.
Whatever that
Really?
was.
You even turned on the
Don't bother cleaning it up. Yeah, you probably ought to.
There's a rag right here.
And we were extra
It
prepared
smells like
with the rag.
vanilla. I want to
This
taste
happens
some.
every day to us.
Where's the lid, Ray?
I want to taste some.
You've never tasted vanilla?
No.
Yes, nasty.
I want to taste this butter.
Now, after you put in the eggs
I want
and
to
listen
taste
to
the yellow.
Mexican music in a British setting, you must throw the eggs away. Where's
You can just put it in the sink.
And now we will finish.
But once you use the eggs, you must wash them. Yes, vanilla. Oh, I have no idea. Read the recipe here. Olay!
Where did you find this? My word.
My Herb Albert station.
Okay.
Very good experience though.
Now we must mix it. Mix means to stir.
Yes, good. 2 teaspoons vanilla. Did you put 2 teaspoons?
I think so. I'm not sure, to be honest. I hope I did.
Oh well, we can find out.
Okay, you.
I mean, we have
Put
this
it
cell
on
under
the tea
control.
just in case.
Josie,
That
come
would
down.
make four.
Yes. It doesn't matter how much. If we put extra all the time.
Good job. Tina.
Now we will have a commercial break while we get things settled down.
We need a video there.
Yeah!
Brought to you by Capri Sun.
Thanks, Pandora listeners.
You guys are
Select
kooky.
two seats.
Can I press stop? Can I start it over?
Use your networking card. Or today,
And now, back to the cooking show.
Welcome back to our kitchen. It's really noisy in here, so you might want to plug your ears. And if you can't stand noises, maybe you should go away and change the channel.
I hate noise. Wagon! Wagon! Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
Waggy, why are you logging?
Sorry for my language.
It's okay. Nobody cares about language.
Wagon. Wagon, wagon, wagon.
Now we will put our hands over this so none of it gets out of the bowl.
For those that don't know what wagon means, it means little red box on wheels. No one cares about bad language as long as this is real bad language. This is real. No, it's not.
Are you sure it's not real? It sounds very real.
I thought wagon was something red on wheels. I think we're mixing it a little bit wrong. Next we have. Oh, no wonder. I think we forgot
The butter. Of course.
No, it's not.
Don't forget your butter. Are you sure?
Yeah. We need sugar.
Did we have sugar?
No. times 6. I like times 3 for sugar.
Sugar's better.
No. Times 8.
I will go check on us quiet children upstairs. You know, the ones we're planning to make for dinner.
Yes. Oh, sorry, that's not proper. Butter. Oh, yes. Okay, we need 2.5 sticks of butter. So, here it is. 2.5. And they need to be soft. What are you doing?
Eating stray cocoa.
No, Batman! Stop singing about Batman.
I was
Go
like,
away,
baby,
Go away, Robin.
baby.
I can't believe that he put this music on.
I know, it's so Here,
Can you put on
we're cutting his pay. We're cutting your pay.
We're cutting your pay. Oh, yeah. already
Are you
said
doing
that.
this? Can I put this away?
I'll keep it on.
Ready?
Okay.
Please, please. I think I am putting it away.
Uh,
I'm the manager on the set.
why are you on the set? I thought we paid you to get as far off the set as we
Yes,
could.
this is the Rachel and Kaylin place. Excuse me. She's not supposed to be here right now.
No, she's not. Get off the set. Can't you tell this is a real kitchen? Now get out. I mean, this is totally real kitchen.
Do you want to see the phone?
No,
It's not for sale.
please forgive her. She's so.
It's possibly crazy.
It's the butter.
This is Rachel and Kaylin.
Are you guys done with the eggs?
We don't put any eggs. Butter's last.
Are you already done with the eggs?
Yes, we are. It's my turn back. No.
Hello?
I said you're done.
Michael Jackson.
Don't ever say awesome. That's awesome.
It's awesome.
Awesome.
Hey, Michael Jackson.
That's kind of bad, actually.
Awesome. Michael Jackson? Yes. I would like to order.
Are you doing this?
Okay.
Rachel,
You can see the
are we
phone.
done with the whatever that
The coconut.
the cat?
Okay, did you see the phone?
I'm talking to Michael Jackson. It's you.
Why did we hire her as our manager? She's not even British. I mean,
No, I'm not.
Excuse me. I think she's English.
I think
Yo,
it's
excuse
trying to
me.
pretend.
Words. You want to chill or hang out?
no. Dear Rachel, that's not how you speak Englishly. What's up, dog? Want
What's
to
up?
chillax or
phone call.
While we are waiting, never mind, we are no longer waiting. This show has been brought to you by whatever this is.
You realize you're so, holding it so close that they can't even see it. That's a little better. A little better. Too far. Just a little closer. A little closer. A little bit up. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Brought to you by whatever this is. It's nutritious.
Like, I want to, like, do some weird dance to
Look at my
it.
trumpet. Look at my trumpet. I'll pretend I'm playing.
Where's she?
I don't know, over by the door.
Gosh, your trumpet. Wait, where did it go?
You like this music?
Tina, I'm getting ready to go home.
It's making me want to pee my pants.
In the commercial break.
And we are back.
You're whistling through a trumpet.
Strong instruments. I'll have to wait for the trumpet to come on.
What's funny is it started whistling as soon as you put her trumpet up.
Yes. It's the buzzes on.
I have an amazing trumpet here. Look, see?
You're stealing my part.
Oh, yeah.
Kaylin, do you still play the trumpet? Do you still play trumpet?
Let's start cooking now that we have the music and everything. Music I admire. Just say, have a nice day.
To get in your room tomorrow.
No.
No.
Stop eating the merchandise. Oh. Okay, good. I'm scared. Clap.
Yay, I did it!
Hey, come on.
Let me go
I dropped you in the trash can. Caitlin, come dance. Come dance right here.
Okay. Do you want to dance? Oh. Do you want to dance with me?
She's dancing with a broom. Yes. Why are you greasing it? Oh yes, I don't need to. I don't need to grease it with making cookies.
Oh, we're videotaping her dancing?
Yes. It's a brick.
I'm getting close-ups. Watch her nifty footwork. Amazing. Amazing. I don't even know if she's in it anymore.
Rachel, I totally just wore your shoes to go get out of here. That was great. Oh. How'd it turn out? Did you guys make a double batch or something? That's what the smell was. Is it really good taste? Yeah. Can I eat it? Alright. Can I eat it? Brought to you by Great Value Real Mayonnaise.
When you're hungry, use mayonnaise.
Twist it so that you can see the kitchen.
Hey, Lynn. I'm going to check my brothers.
Okay.
Rachel, I dropped her anyway.
And welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the commercial break because I'm sorry. Don't walk in front of the camera. We already fired you. Now get out.
What are you making, guys? We're making elephants. What's a nice way to say this? Brown stuff.
Elephant's poop.
Kill it.
I mean brown stuff.
Elephant scats.
As
That's the
well-
scientific term.
And cookies. I'm thirsty. Ah. Thirsty.
Oh my gosh, this girl got it right.
Here's the ice. Okay, now we will put it in the oven. Dog. What temperature is that? You want to help me lick my hands?
What did you do?
Rachel.
What? I'll wash them. Sorry. You know, I think I messed up.
Alright.
Don't try eating soup. It is just. Don't put it back in. Don't put it back in. Just take. Don't try eating soup. It's disgusting.
Really?
Yes, it tastes like salt
No, it doesn't.
and other gross stuff.
It
Like-
tastes delicious. I know because I eat soap all the time.
It's what you get when you use words like wagon and hippopotamus and honey.
Rachel, I will have no
Sorry.
cussing in my kitchen.
Okay, where was that started from?
Brother Talbot. I mean, some person.
We don't know.
And he said that on his mission, he told someone
swear word? Yes. Yes. I mean, yes.
My sister used to make up her own swear words.
She did.
Yeah, like one of her swear words was eggplant.
Eggplant.
She used to say that when she was mad.
It sounds British. Eggplant.
I like that. Is that Glenn Beck? Darling made a song
Lollipop,
about it.
lollipop,
Wait.
lollipop. I hate this music. Pardon me for my language. Do you mind changing it to Grace and Chance? What about Def Leppard? What about Care Bears? I think I'd like Care Bears or Def Leppard. They're very similar artists. Okay, now we're gonna have a commercial break.
Yes. We already advertised that. We don't do that anymore.
What happens when you advertised? Clover honey. A half empty bottle of it.
Harry, you're not the love of my life.
Okay, that is enough. We have another commercial break. Bye.
No. We that is enough.
I just went and got everybody to come and sing for the commercial break. Commercial break for Imperial
Butter.
Butter. Right, turn off the music. I'm gonna sing This Is the Night. Come on, Robbie. Robbie, hello. All right. Sing now.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
This is the night we've waited for. Always a treat we had in store. We love each other more with every family night. This is the night we've waited for. You sing it, you sing it. You're a better singer. Sing it, sing it, sing it.
Okay.
This is the night we've waited for. Always a gift we have in store. We love each other with every family night.
I'm
And
talking
you
about
sing it
family night. Yeah, where we all get together and have a good treat.
And desserts like
I
Hershey's
was trying.
chocolate,
I was
peanut
rapping.
butter. Yes, I was rapping too.
Oh, okay.
Brought to you.
What happened?
Robbie,
Split
no,
on
that's-
a piece of paper. Where's the trash can?
Where's the small
TJ, go
spoon?
put it where it goes.
That's right there.
You're done. Good job. Did you do it? Good job. Awesome. Oh my word, that's amazing.
Drag.
Wow. You are so flexible.
This is how it unlocks like this.
I'm doing good stuff. I'm not sure if I can do this.
Let's see. Go.
Doing good
I
stuff.
can see. Good.
I'll do the work of one love.
It looks that right.
I need to get it wet. Spray.
Oh, are you just spray it first?
Hey, do I wipe it with a wet rag? Spray.
There's 2 candy canes.
That's mine.
We should try this. This is fun.
Reebok.
Here, can you give it to me for a second?
We're to the finish line. Well, halfway.
Oh, wait. You guys need to watch that now.
Amazing.
Mine was called Cookie.
Alright, where do we go?
Come on, Kaylin.
Come on. Come on. Hurry. We need to use gunfire.
Oh yeah, gunfire.
Yeah, alright guys, ready? What? You guys say thank you.
Can I have a cookie, Mom?
I know where you will eat when we get home, okay?
Can I have a cookie?
We have cookies for you too.
Can I have a cookie?
After we're gonna to take home.
Hey.
You want a cookie? Okay. Alright, y'all.
What's up, dog? Want to hang out or chillax?
I know one's in the car. Come here, bud. We're gonna drag you out, kicking and screaming. Oh, I guess you won't get your cookie then. Hi, Chris. We'll see you later, sweetie. You're such a sweet boy. Bye, you guys. CJ, can you help me now? No. Can you do that? You will. Can you say thank you?
I'm ashamed of myself. I put these shoes on who knows how many times, and this time I put them on. I'm already
Okay, stay out of the cookies, Joe. All right, Rachel and Robbie,
Aww.
go get potatoes.
I guess we have to turn off the camera now, right?
I want you to peel